Hi friends, Miss Darla here, and today we are going to be making rock candy. Yeah, you heard me, rock candy. No, put that down. We're making the edible kind. For this experiment, you are going to need 2 cups of white sugar, a food coloring of your choice, a glass jar, and a pencil with about a 6-inch long string tied to a paper clip. You will also need a pot, a cup of water, and a coffee filter. And most importantly, you are going to need an adult. First, you are going to want to check the length of your string. The paper clip should be close to, but not touching, the bottom of the glass. To adjust the length of the string, you can roll the pencil and use a little bit of tape to secure the string to the pencil. Next, with the help of an adult, you are going to bring 1 cup of water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, you will add your sugar to the mixture. You will do 1/4 cup of sugar at a time, letting it dissolve each time before you add the next 1/4 cup until you have 2 cups of sugar dissolved. This is creating a super saturated solution. Once your sugar has completely dissolved, you can go ahead and add the food coloring now. Then, with an adult's help, you will pour your supersaturated solution into the glass jar. Then you will take the pencil with the string and paperclip attached, making sure that the paperclip does not touch the bottom or the sides of the jar. Next comes the hard part, waiting. While you wait for your sugar crystals to form, I recommend putting a coffee filter on top of it, just to keep dust out. As time goes on, you will see those sugar crystals beginning to form. I let my solution sit for 4 days. Once you are ready to harvest your sugar crystals, you will go ahead and, using a butter knife, gently break the surface of the solution. Once you have broken up the solution on the top, this is where, in theory, if nothing has gone wrong with your experiment, you should be able to pull out the string with the sugar crystals attached. However, if you have a gremlin in your house who refuses to keep his paws to himself, you may need some help releasing the crystals from the jar. In order to do this, you can just set your jar with the crystals in a hot water bath. I recommend dumping out the excess liquid before you do this. Once it has loosened up, you can use a butter knife to gently break away pieces. And there you have it, some beautiful rock candy. I hope you've enjoyed this experiment, and until next time, bye!